The key to a successful relationship is knowing how to make him fall in love with you over and over again. Here's how to show him you care daily. Number 1. Tell him how you feel. Just open up and tell him. It's a very easy thing and you probably already do it. However, after a while, we might grow to think that our partners already know. Even if they do, they still love hearing it. So tell your man just how much you love him. Number 2. Do something you know he loves. There are probably a lot of things you do that your man loves. Think about what he compliments you on or when made him happier than you've ever seen him. Then do that. If he really loves when you surprise him with date night plans, do that. Maybe he also really likes when you make him his favorite homemade dinner. Doing those things on occasion will help him fall more and more in love with you. Number 3. Keep your sense of humor at the forefront. Life isn't always fun and games. However, the difficult times can be made a lot easier if you keep your sense of humor alive. Don't let it fall away just because you've been together for a while. Make sure he knows you still love to joke around and have fun. Number 4. Let your goofy side show. He'll fall more and more in love with you the goofier you are around him. And this is simply because you'll make him laugh. Don't be afraid to be weird and goofy. He loves you for those little things, so let them show. Number 5. Be understanding. There will be times in life when things go wrong. You won't always have control over everything and you might be faced with a situation that's upsetting. Just be understanding. Know that your partner isn't perfect. Obviously, you don't want to forgive everything they do right away. But with the little stuff, just stay calm. Number 6. Keep doing the little things you did in the beginning. Remember when you two first started dating? What did you do that made him fall so hard for you? Think about those little things and remember to keep doing them. One of the biggest issues in relationships is partners who stop doing the stuff that made the other love them. It's not enough to simply say you're in love. Keep doing the stuff that got you there in the first place. 7. Laugh at his jokes. It's important that the two of you still laugh together. He needs to know that you still think he's really funny, even if you've been together for a while. So when he makes some jokes, even if they're silly, laugh. Hearing your laugh and seeing you light up at something he said will make him fall in love with you all over again. Obviously, don't make it seem fake or inauthentic. Number 8. Appreciate what he does for you. Be appreciative all the time. He doesn't have to be doing any of those things for you. He does nice things because he cares about you. Continuously be grateful for all he does, even if it's as small as bringing you a cup of coffee in the morning. Knowing you appreciate him in your life will make him love you even more. Number 9. Have sex like you're still in the honeymoon phase. Yes, you read that right. Have sex like you still can't believe you get to have sex with them. People just don't understand the importance of a healthy sex life. You might not have the time or energy to go at it like you did in your honeymoon phase, but just think about it. Both of you were overly eager to hit the sheets, right? Bring back that enthusiasm. Number 10. Remember the important stuff. If he has a big day at work that could lead to a potential promotion, make sure to get up and make him a big breakfast and pour him a large coffee. It's not much, but it's enough to show him that you still think about him all the time. He'll love you more for things like this. Let me ask you a quick question. What's it like to get a man's attention and keep it for years, driving him crazy with desire and being the absolute center of his universe? If you don't know, don't worry. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this video will change your whole life. Check out the link in below.